Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking the keyboard layout because that determines symbol locations. Open settings and verify the language. Next, launch Character Map on Windows or Keyboard Viewer on macOS so you can preview every symbol. Once done, arrange the viewer beside the app where you type. This saves switching time. You want to see the symbol, select it, and copy. That immediate feedback explains why this step speeds the whole process, and it prevents guesswork later. You now find the exact symbol using search or by scanning the map. Type its name or Unicode to narrow results. After selecting, copy and paste into your document. It's fast and reliable. For Windows, you can also hold Alt and type the numeric code on the numpad. On Mac OS, use Option key combinations for common glyphs. Once you understand both methods, make shortcuts or auto-text entries for things you use often. That reduces future effort significantly and makes typing consistent. Finish by testing inserted symbols across the apps you use, because different programs render characters differently. Switch fonts if you see empty boxes. If alt codes don't work, make sure numlock is enabled or use the on-screen keyboard numeric pad. That fixes the common hardware mismatch. If problems persist, install the needed language pack or choose Unicode-compatible fonts. Doing so resolves encoding conflicts and ensures the symbols display and print correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.